Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Apple's latest release, the iPhone 16. This phone is packed with cutting-edge features, and I'm here to give you a complete breakdown. From design to performance, camera to battery life, and even Apple's new AI features, we're covering it all. Let's get started. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 16 is a beauty. It's sleek, elegant, and built to last. It's made from aerospace-grade aluminum, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. The front is protected by ceramic shield, which is tougher than any smartphone glass out there. Plus, it's IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, so it can handle spills, splashes, and even accidental drops. The iPhone 16 features a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's an edge-to-edge OLED panel with incredible color accuracy, deep blacks, and bright highlights. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through social media, this display is a visual treat. It also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, so your content looks as good as it was meant to. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is powered by the A18 chip, Apple's latest and greatest processor. This chip is a beast. It's 80% faster in CPU performance and 70% faster in GPU performance compared to the iPhone 11. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or multitasking between apps, this phone handles it all with ease. Plus, the 4-core GPU ensures smooth and lag-free gaming. Battery life is a major highlight of the iPhone 16. It offers up to 26 hours of video playback. That's 6 hours more than the iPhone 11 and 12 hours more than the iPhone SE. Thanks to the power efficiency of the A18 chip and iOS 18, you can go all day without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or working on the go, this phone has you covered. Now let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 16 has a 48MP Fusion camera that's like having two cameras in one. It captures super high-resolution photos with incredible detail and balance. The 2x telephoto lens lets you zoom in without losing quality, and features like night mode, portrait mode, and enhanced low light make every shot look professional. You can also shoot 4K Dolby Vision video with cinematic quality, making it perfect for content creators. One of the coolest features of the iPhone 16 is Apple Intelligence. It's like having a personal assistant built into your phone. You can create custom emojis with Genmoji, edit photos with Cleanup, and even get AI-powered writing suggestions with writing tools. Siri is smarter than ever, understanding context and helping you get things done effortlessly. For example, it can summarize your notes, set reminders, and even give you step-by-step instructions for tasks. The iPhone 16 supports 5G connectivity, ensuring super-fast internet speeds wherever you are. It also comes with an eSIM, making it easy to activate or switch carriers. One of the standout features is the new action button. With a single press, you can launch your favorite app, activate visual intelligence, or even call your best friend. Plus, the iPhone 16 has satellite connectivity, so you can send messages and get help even without cell service. Security is top-notch with Face ID. It's fast, reliable, and works seamlessly for unlocking your phone, signing into apps, and making payments. Your data is always protected, thanks to Apple's commitment to privacy. The iPhone 16 comes in two timeless colors, black and white. You can also accessorize it with gorgeous silicone cases in colors like winter blue, lake green, and fuchsia. It's a stylish phone that goes with everything. The iPhone 16 starts at $599 or $24.95/month for 24 months. It's available for pre-order starting February 28, and if you're trading in an older iPhone, you can get up to $170 in credit, making this an even better deal. Carrier deals are also available, so you can save even. Environmental and privacy features. Apple continues to lead in sustainability. The iPhone 16 is made with over 30% recycled materials, including 85% recycled aluminum in its enclosure. Plus, Apple's commitment to privacy means your data is always secure, with features like on-device processing and private cloud compute. So is the iPhone 16 worth it? Absolutely. It's a powerful, stylish, and future-proof device that delivers on all fronts. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or switching from Android, this phone is a fantastic choice. It's packed with features like the A18 chip, 48MP camera, Apple Intelligence, and more, making it one of the best iPhones in its price range. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.